the frame of the Kikuyu, that's in terms of particulars, there were two Kasongo names appearing. But when it came to the interpretation in English, the Kasongo, one Kasongo was missing. And my Lord, Your Honor, we will address that one as a typo, and that one can be addressed by amending the charge sheet under section 214 of the CPC. So technically, it's not an element you can be able to pursue this court to invalidate the criminal charge for purpose of stripping you the trial jurisdiction, or it cannot bar this court from taking plea. The other ground that was raised by the defense is on the violation of the constitutional rights, which could warrant a fair trial. And the aspect of representation from the time of arrest to the time that he appeared before you. Your Honor, you remember a list of 17 lawyers was read to you. And they are able in court. That one is a clear picture of proper representation. The dollar question to this court, as raised in the preliminary objection, is that is there an illegality or a likelihood of miscarriage of justice to warrant deferring of this plea? The question will be answered as follows. And this comes with the grounds that the defense has put forth or was supposed to put forth for purpose of convincing this court that indeed there is an illegality and a miscarriage. There's so much emphasis that has been put place with regard to lack of jurisdiction that has been responded to. And if I was to add something on to whatever that has been mentioned by my two colleagues, you saw the orders that were given to this court yesterday. One was obtained at Kiambu, another one was obtained at Milimani Law Court. The High Court in those two courts gave the orders. The orders were sought by Honorable Kaguchia. I believe there is an High Court in Nyeri and in Nanyuki, Kaguchia, Thika, Murang'a. Is it forum shopping that they found? I said Nyeri, Nanyuki, Thika, Murang'a, even Embu is near to where Mheshimiwa comes from, then Kiambu and Milimani. But nobody's complaining that it's forum shopping. they came directly to Milimani and they came up. And it's imperative, Your Honor, to say this. The DPP does not have any relationship with this court. The charge sheet was filed through the CTS. It was received by the court that is now doing all this. It's the court that was on duty. Another ground that could have been raised by, which has not been raised, is a double jeopardy. There's nothing that can be able to address around that because they have not raised it. The other one is a defective or improperly framed charge sheet. Sorry? I'm touching on the grounds. That is, yes, sir. Maybe the court can